Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to add stickers to WhatsApp. The process is really simple and easy. The only thing you have to do is open your WhatsApp application. Once it will be opens, I will open a random chat and will show you how can you add stickers to WhatsApp. So just for example, I will open the first one. And here, before sending messages, you can see the emoji icon on the left bottom. Tap on the emoji icon. And here are all the GIFs of WhatsApp. And if I tap on it, these are the emojis of WhatsApp. And here is the option stickers. Tap on it. So these are the stickers of WhatsApp. And if I scroll down, from here, you can see the list of stickers and how can I add more. Tap on this plus icon to add more stickers on WhatsApp. Now here are all available stickers. From here, look for the one which you like the most just for showing you. I will add this. New Year, same me. You have to tap on this option download. Now it's start downloading on WhatsApp, and it's downloaded. Let's go back and have a look how these stickers look like. Again, I'm tapping on this emoji icon, and here the sticker, here you can see New Year, same me. So these are the stickers which we recently added on WhatsApp, and it was the primary way by which you can add stickers to WhatsApp.